Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing just great and superb out there. My name is Adil Ahmed Amir, and I am Assistant Professor in Department of Mass Communication at Former University, Lahore. I will be teaching MCOM 401 radio broadcasting this semester, and we'll be learning together about ins and outs and techniques of radio production and radio broadcasting during this semester. So let me introduce you to this course. This course is basically comprised of three modules. In first module, we learn about the theoretical background and a little bit history of radio production and radio broadcasting, that how it started in the world, in Pakistan, and especially in South Asia. Then we learn about that how a radio production has played important role, and especially radio broadcasting, in development issues and in communication. So in second module, we'll look into the production techniques, radio production, and especially my emphasis will be on sound, that how to record sound, what are the basic requirements of recording a good audio, and how to edit those sounds using different softwares like Adobe Audition or SoundForge or any other audio editing software. In third module, we'll look into how digitization or digital platforms or social media has played important role in developing radio into entirely a new entity. So these are the three modules. We'll look into them during the course of this semester. So let's talk about the objectives of this course. This course is specifically designed to provide not only the theoretical overview, but to give you a practical in and out of this field. And it will involve a lot of people from industry as well. So I will involve a lot of people from professional radio stations, those who are working in the field for a very long time, and they'll come into your classes and talk about radio production. You will learn about radio journalism, broadcasting, and what are the basic techniques of radio production. You will learn about digital storytelling, radio news style, story format, and copy layout. You will learn about how to interview for radio, how to develop questions for radio programs, and how to conduct an interview. And you will learn about radio drama as well, how to record drama, how to write drama, and how to develop characters. So this course is basically a series of discussions, in-class activities, practical assignments, and there will be a lot of hands-on practices involved in this course. When we'll be studying this course together, you will do a lot of assigned activities in the class, especially editing the audio, recording the audio, and producing different types of programs on radio. Let's start course outcomes. So what you learn at the end of this course. So if I talk about course outlines, you'll be able to produce different types of radio programs. For example, radio interview, radio discussion, radio drama, and radio report. So you will work on subject-related projects. You will predict and combat problems related to radio broadcasting. At the end of this course, you'll get a deep insight of the practical side of radio and radio broadcasting. This course will enable you to join any radio station to work as you present photo. You will be your channel in longer run as well. So this course will introduce you to the sound, how to sound, how to sound, and how to write for the sound. Radio is a medium that deals with sound only. It is comparatively different from television because television involves and audio. So it will provide guidelines, information, and specific techniques for understanding to enable you to find better placement opportunities in radio broadcasting or different radio stations. We'll learn about the modern trends of radio broadcasting in Pakistan and in other countries of the world. So that's it. I hope you will enjoy this course with me. I'm eager to meet all of you and to work with you throughout in this semester. So welcome again to MCOM 401 Radio Broadcasting. See you in the class. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.